The world of AI robotics has truly shifted this week. From surgical robots revolutionizing health to AI robots mastering parkour, the breakthroughs are utterly mind-blowing. Let's dive right into the highlights right now. Surgical robots. Precision redefined. At Johns Hopkins University, surgical technology has changed for the better. Researchers trained the Vinci Surgical System Robot, using learning by imitation, where AI looks on and eventually learns from humans. It's like teaching a robot surgeon through real surgeries. The robot has been excellent with a human level of precision. But here's the kicker. It continues learning. If it drops a needle, it doesn't stop and continues the operation. Imagine how the world is going to be affected by this. Remote regions might have a high level of surgical care without the need for human surgeons. So, would you like a robot operating on you? I think it would be safe if the tech is so futuristic, but I would be a bit hesitant if it was a major surgery, I think. Digit, the future worker, has arrived. Meet Digit, the humanoid robot from Agility Robotics. Standing at 5'9" and designed with human-like experience, Digit is revolutionizing industries. Whether it's holding up boxes in a warehouse or going up some stairs, this robot is trained to be different. What is so amazing about this robot? Its feet. Unlike other robots, Digit's legs allow it to move on rough surfaces and move up the stairs easily. Plus, its arms can be swapped, thus able to do tasks like holding breakable objects or lifting heavy weights. Forget noisy commands in factories. Digit takes its orders through the iPad, making it easy and accessible. Big companies like GXO Logistics are already moving into action. Manufacturing and logistics are about to be changed forever thanks to Digit. Parkour robots. Generative AI meets agility. Robots mastering parkour? It's happening now. MIT's Lucid Sim is readying the stage for robot training. Using artificial intelligence and various simulations, it creates incredibly real virtual environments. Think of it as a playground for robots to learn things, ranging from climbing the stairs to locating objects and also parkour. Here's the amazing part. Robots trained with Lucid Sim achieve a whole 30% increase in success as compared to traditional methods. And to think, this is just the beginning. MIT plans on humanoid robots trained in these environments to win real-world jobs, from chefs to factory assistants. Well, it seems I should simply resign now. Nobody is investing millions to train me for real-world jobs. I don't even know how to parkour. AI Lifeguards, 24/7 heroes. Drowning events are now something in the past, all thanks to AI-powered lifeguards. In China, autonomous robots having rescue arms and life-saving buoys are near the water all day long, ready to act if trouble comes, and that too within seconds. Meanwhile, California's Shark Eye AI drones guard beaches, looking out for shark activity and the safety of the swimmers. These AI robots have a fast response to safety, especially in water. I would actually go to the beach now, instead of worrying about all the ways I could die near water. Jetson Thor, powering the future of robotics. Enter Nvidia's Jetson Thor, a platform designed to maximize humanoid robots. In 2025, this cutting-edge platform will give robots the intelligence to be autonomous and think in difficult environments. Think of robots that learn while doing different tasks. From Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot to caregiving robots, Jetson Thor is the engine behind it all. Nvidia isn't churning out robots. It's creating the stuff that makes them super smart. This is a big move, and let's see how it plays out. The future is now. From life-saving AI lifeguards to robots doing surgeries, whether it's in healthcare, manufacturing, or public safety, every field is. What excites you most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on AI robots and new technology. The future is here now. Are you ready for it?